today, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install and ROM and play Super Mario 64 as well as other N64 games. So, hold on. So, install this app. It's called N64 Emulator Pro. Just to search up N64, like N64, install this one, or you can use some other ones like let's say this one. You can also install this one. Doesn't really matter, I think. But go to ROM, to install like the game. You want to go to rompure. Is go to rompure. Go to the 3 lines. And then click on ROMs. Then Nintendo 64. Skip this ad if it gives you one. Then you should see like Super Mario 64 on the top. You can also install another game if you want to. I think it'll pretty much have the same steps. Click on download now, even though if it looks sketchy. Click on the version you want. For this case, I'm using Super N64. Oh yeah, if it gives you this, just go back. Oh my. Yeah. Oh my god. Hold on. Let's go to Super Mario 64. Yeah, and then just wait a few seconds. Wait a few seconds, and then just wait. Oh yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. In Espanol. Just keep on waiting. I think I'm gonna cut this thing out. Okay, never mind. Yeah, and then it should redirect you to this website, and then just wait. Yeah, like it should start downloading, but since I already installed it, yeah, just wait for it to install. It's not really that long, so it shouldn't really take that long. And then if it doesn't if it like doesn't redirect you to there, go to the App Store again and install the archiver. Yeah, it should work the exact same way, but I'm not gonna be doing that. And anyways, extract. Yeah, okay. So go into the N64 Emulator Pro, and then go to like the circle thing. Hold on. So you should see like not that. You should see go to the downloads. Click on like the one you want, like Super Mario USA. And then click accept. It should start to load up, and you should be able to play your game. But you can also enable cheats, but that's gonna be for a later video. So enjoy these 10 minutes of me trying to BRJ.